as you can see, camera works very clearly. The lens, the monitor, also very clear. Just sitting on the dash, instantaneous starting to charge. Setup, go to menu, pairing mode, hit OK, and instantaneously it starts pairing and connecting to the monitor or the camera, taking up to 15 seconds or so. Boom, easy as that. And then you just go through and change your settings.
This is where we mounted our camera. This allows me to, when I get gas, I can back up or pull forward up to the pump, and I know exactly where I am in relationship to where the hose is on the pump, which allows me to be close enough so the hose will reach, because our gas cap, our gas tank is right back here. It's hard to see under the bikes, but that's where it is. So with the camera mounted right there, it shines right down onto the ground, and it makes it extremely easy to know where the gas pump is.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-485 outer.
Not turned on, does not light, even connected to power. One of them works, the other one don't work. And then sometimes it comes on, sometimes it comes off. If you need this to drive and you're a trucker and you need this for your rear vision,
merge onto I-485 outer, then take exit 21.
This is the second camera I got from these people, man. And they telling me, oh, it's charge it this way, charge it that way. I use the charging port. I use the port they came with it, and it still doesn't work. It's garbage.
Quick to turn on, good picture, very easy to install. Great magnet for the camera in the back. Got all these buttons here.
Okay, it's plugged in, it's on. It won't turn on. Won't turn on. It's all hooked together and it won't turn on. And then it's, when it was turning on, it won't get the thing from the back, the picture from the back.